Okay, guys. So we copied reporter one object and image at. So along with the WebDriver object, we are also passing a reporter object and image attachment document. And to write the log statements, I have copied string str is equal to, I'm taking the snapshot, and ia dot paste image. I'm taking the snapshot. So that's it. These are the changes only I have to check. So these along with these two. So these are the changes I did. And now let's come back to the main tests. TC01 add jobs 2. So this one, right? Okay. So now we already did some changes. So let me copy all those changes. So this is complete part it's required for me, and I'm going back to my add jobs. So after declaring my WebDriver, I'm declaring here. So, and here my test case name, I want to Word document I want to generate TC01 add jobs, and with that timestamp I want to generate. Okay. So first part is done, and reporter one and image attachment documents already created. And along with the WebDriver object, I want to pass. What are the objects I want to pass? R1, IA1. Okay, that's it. Where is that? Okay. Right. And so in the @before test section, once after launching my browser, I need to create objects. What are the objects I want to create? Image attachment document one and reporter object. Okay, let me copy these things. And I'm copying here. So that's it only. Okay. And after that, to generate your Word document, very, very important step. So in the @after test section, these two lines of code you have to write it. So in the @after test, you have to write it. Okay. And here keep the mouse over, add throws declaration, throws exception got added. That's it, guys. Okay. So what are the changes I did? So reporter one, image attachment document one, test case name I had given. And in the @before test section, okay, after launching my browser, these are the changes I did. And for every, along with the driver object, and I'm also passing reporter one and image attachment. And finally, to generate your Word document, if you don't write these lines, your Word document cannot be generated. So these and PDF. So that Word document, it will be converted to automatically PDF format. So the first, so whenever this line got executed, Word document can be created. Whenever this line got executed, that Word document, it will be converted to PDF format. So these two lines got executed. So, and I'm saving. Okay. So now let's run this add jobs too. Okay, run as add jobs. Right, my test case got executed. I need to navigate to image attachment document one. Where is my output reports? C drive HTML report, Word documents folder. Okay, let's go to C drive HTML report, Word documents folder. See, just now TC01 add jobs underscore I have to give actually. After TC01 add jobs, here if I will give the naming convention as here underscore, that so it will be created properly, but right now it's got appended directly here. Okay. So now what document has been created? Let's go to this one. So whatever name, so this is got created. Pass open orange HRM login page ia1.paste image, and ia1.paste image while executing job space, that is the snapshot, it has been captured, and log out. That's it. Okay. Okay, let's complete one more exercise. For nationality page also we can complete. This is the nationality page. Okay, what is the first step I need to copy? A reporter one and image attachment document. So let's copy these two. Control C, and I copied. And along with the WebDriver object, I want to pass reporter one and image. Okay, let's copy these two as well. Okay, and the next point is we need to copy these two things. So if anybody will ask how you are passing objects from main test case to another test case, you need to, this is the main method. Okay, if you are not passing the driver, your set of driver commands cannot be executed. If you are not passing the reporter or image attachment document one, for that Word document, the snapshots cannot be added or appended. Okay, so you must have to pass WebDriver object and reporter one and image attachment. Okay, now let's go to the next point, add nationality. After entering my nationality name and save, and I want to write log statement. So I'm taking copy, Control C. I'm coming back to here, nationality. Okay, one second. Copy. So here I need to write nationality page. So here I need to write nationality page. And string str I have to declare it here. So string str is all, every time whenever it is executing, the current snapshot complete path it is getting here. Okay, and that snapshot path we are pasting in the Word document. Okay, now that's it. So nationality page change is completed. So now I want to modify TC01 add nationality to. So after this, so the first part I need to copy. So let's go to TC01 add jobs to. So these are the image attachment declaration things. Control C. So first part is done, declaration part completed, image attachment, and the next part is I have to create an objects. Okay, I have to create an objects. So after launching my browser, I have to create an objects. So after launching my browser, I have created an objects. All right, and the next point is I need to, along with the WebDriver object, one second. Along with the WebDriver object, I also want to pass a reporter one object. So in the main test case, simply I need to add reporter one, image one. That's it. Okay, and did I miss any of the steps? I want to generate Word document and PDF. So the main last step is this. So let's copy this one. Paste it. And I'm saving it. Okay. Okay, I'm deleting these two test cases. It's not required. So just now we created the add nationality too. Okay. So let's execute this. They changed nationality page name in the log statement. I haven't changed it. Modify change it. Oh, you need to stay running snapshots. Okay, it will capture that. Okay, now let's go to C drive HTML report Word documents folder. I think I haven't changed it. My name here. Here I need to change it as add nationality. And in my nationality page also, did I change log statement? Okay, here I see. Okay. Now let's go and save this program. And anyway, previously add job space, the recent timestamp, we can check it. So the recent timestamp is this one only, 1052. So let's open this one. So whatever name, test name we have given, it's came. Nationality page. See nationality page, orange HRM, the nationality record creation and log out. That's it. Okay. So that means in reporting part, the main important point is along with the WebDriver object. Okay, whatever reporting util objects people are using, those objects you must have to pass. If you join in any of the project, okay, the people they have to give some KT knowledge how the reporting part it has to generate. Okay, and what are the supporting class files you have to import, and how to write the log statements part also they have to explain. So far we have discussed about wherever I am writing IA1.create header. So IA1.create header means, so the heading it is generating in my Word document. So whatever test case name that is coming. IA1.paste image means the description and snapshot it is pasting. Okay. So because we are executing testng class, right? Automatically testng emailable reports also it will be generated. So let's check that testng emailable reports. So testng emailable reports, where we have to check, in which folder we have to check, test output folder. Okay, let's expand test output folder and emailable report.html, open with browser. See, just now we have executed because we have written only 3 log statements. So this one, okay, 1 second. So I'm copying this one in Chrome browser. I'm pasting this reporting. See, I'm clicking on here. So the relevant snapshot we can also able to see from here as well. Okay, and the relevant snapshots we can able to see from here also. Like that. But in emailable report, to check the reporting part, you need to click on every link and you need to check. See, whatever log statements we know, whichever pages you have written, those log statements also it came. And the snapshot during the execution time, the snapshot time also, it has been killed. Understanding? So when this snapshot was captured and everything. And where these snapshots are saving, that is the important point. Okay. I will tell. About the logo, I will tell. So now, so the reporting part, reporter 1. So customize emailable report, that lab is completed or not for you? That lab was not completed. Okay, anyway. So reporter 1. So image attachment document 1, that supporting class file, it is completely describing about what document. Okay. Reporter 1, that is the supporting class file, but it's completely has been developed for emailable report. So I'm clicking on reporter 1 class. Okay. And where my snapshots are placing in my system. Okay. So C drive HTML reports, test output folder. C drive HTML report, test output folder. Test output folder, temp screenshots. So at this location, C drive, HTML report, test output folder, temp screenshots. At this folder location, so whatever name that I'm giving, okay, in my test name, with the test name, a folder has been created. Under this folder location, the relevant snapshots was placed automatically. Similarly, previous test case also. Okay, similarly, previous test case also, add skills. See here, add skills. So like that. So the relevant snapshots it is saving at this location. So reporter 1, R1 is the class, reporter 1 class. Okay. So it has been developed to modify my emailable reports. Previously, whenever you are executing in your emailable reports, the snapshots are not generated. So whenever you are writing reporter.log statements, so in your day 3 labs, so I think this lab has been completed. Okay, let me show you that part. Orange HRM 11. So what is the lab part? Emailable report. Lab number 8. Test an example one. So here we are writing reporter.log statement, right? So is this lab completed or not? Lab complete galeda. Okay, anyway, no issue. So reporter one and a class indukante to generate your available reports with the relevant snapshots. Okay. So and image attachment document one, that is the supporting class. It has been developed, okay, to generate reporting part, to generate Word documents or PDF papers. Okay. Generally, to develop reporting part, the task it will be given to people who are having 7+ years, 10+ years. That exercise it will be given to those people, not for 3 or 4 years people. But sometimes if they will give you, you have to develop project completely by yourself, then you have to develop it. So then you no need to develop, you can copy and paste our code also directly. Okay, simply you can copy and paste it, and you have to know how if you are giving KT to someone else, you need to import the supporting class files, and you need to write r1.take screenshot auto and ia1.paste image, so that log statements can be generated, so that output reports can be generated, and you can show the output reports in emailable reports, and you can show the output reports in the Word documents. Okay, so wherever you want to generate paths, you can specify it, you can modify it. So hybrid framework. So what documents where you want to generate, so you can modify the path here. So if you want to create some other folder location, you can change path here, and you can give whatever folder name that you want to give. So at that location, those Word documents or PDF reports can be generated. Similarly, if you want to create a reporter one, so reporter one, so the temp screenshots or anything, the folder creation, if you want to create some other location, you can specify the location, so that at that location those folders and relevant snapshots can be placed. Okay, and I want to tell you one more last point about reporter one class, means how this logo is coming in my emailable report. The logo it is coming, so in the reporter one class I have written Control F logo. The logo path I am referring from C drive, HTML reports, HTML templates, logo.jpg. Okay, so in my C drive, HTML reports, HTML templates, logo.jpg. So this one is coming. Suppose if you want to come logo one, suppose this is the one if you want to come, so you can rename this one as logo 2, and this one you can make it as logo, so that this reporting part it will come in our reporting part automatically. Okay, now let's go and refresh this report automatically. One second, why it is not generating? Okay, still that one is. So now my logo name is some different icon. Okay, so now if I will go and refresh it, it will come. Okay, so that's it. Reporting part. So in my reporter one class, just I have specified where my logo path is there, so it has been changed. Okay, so whenever you want to use my reporter one class, that logo path you need to take care according to your client. Okay, so whenever you want to generate Word document or PDF report, this package must has to be there in your project folder. Okay, that's it about the reporting part. Okay. So that means simply you no need to develop reporting. Okay. And that knowledge also, it won't come immediately. Okay. And nobody will ask you once you join, can you develop a reporting part? Okay. If they are, in case if they ask, you can copy and paste this package completely in your project root folder. And you can import image attachment document one and reporter one in every page class file. Okay. And along with the WebDriver object, you can also get reporter one and image attachment document. And you can declare string str. Str is equal to r1 dot take screenshot auto. So the snapshot it is being capturing, and that str contains the snapshot full path. So whenever you are writing ia dot paste image comma str, so that image it is pasting in your Word document. Okay, r1 dot take screenshot line, it is generating reporting in your emailable report. ia dot paste image, that line it is generating reporting in your Word document. So why I have written r1 dot take screenshot auto method? So I have created an object r1 dot take, and I'm getting that snapshot path, because one snapshot is generating in my system, it is placed, and I'm taking that snapshot path and I'm using in my ia dot paste image comma str. That's it. So your Word document is generated. What is the point, everyone? So remember, main importance, even I myself also I had missed in the after test section. These are the main 2 lines of code. It has to be copied. Try to do one exercise, at least 2 test cases. Okay. This is the final project in hybrid framework, so that you will get confidence. Okay. So let me show you one more important Bhavasri website about Bhavasri website. So I'm changing the website actually. Okay. I'm going to update this website. So the labs part I had given here, BDD Cucumber framework. You can go and inquire in any of the institute. These many labs, it won't tell in any of the training institute, even in Hyderabad or Bangalore, across India, nobody will tell these many projects on Cucumber. Understood? Even in hybrid framework also, nobody will tell these many projects. Okay. We did complete projects and labs. Now it is in your hand. Okay. So if you are comfortable, all these labs, all these projects, you can able to survive in any of the company. That's it, guys. Understood? So whatever zip files, whatever project files that I'm sharing, okay, so these are the things we are doing. So anyway, page factory model I haven't told. Page factory model, that is a simple topic, just 5 minutes lab only. So that part I will tell in a separate class. Anyway, labs part and everything has been completed. So these are the important topics, guys. And next week, we are going to focus on manual testing. These are the 15 questions. Okay. Once these 15 questions are completed, our course will be completed. And after completion of manual testing, just for 3 or 4 days, I will take session on core Java topics, just for 1 week. Okay. Remaining some important basic concepts of core Java, oops concept, because if you go for any of the Selenium interviews, people will ask some questions on core Java. Actually, core Java is the base knowledge. So core Java, why it is required? How do you call static methods? How do you call non-static methods? Just that basic knowledge is important. And some important topics also it's important. Only from interview point of view, we have to learn some core Java topics. Okay, core Java, it's an endless subject. Okay, so core Java is out of Selenium, but I will tell what are the important things that required for Selenium. because some part of core Java knowledge is required to write some logics or to do anything. So if you want to join core Java, you can enroll Udemy course. Core Java is a 350 rupees and you can enroll, you can learn it, because if you are in Selenium, core Java is mandatory, because whenever you are writing your logics and logical thinking and logical knowledge, okay, core Java, you can enroll some Udemy course 350 or 450. Anyway, I will teach also. Okay, but to more explore and to get more knowledge, you also need to take some extra things, some extra training that you have to take care by yourself. Got the point? So in the next week we can focus on manual testing topics these days. So in the outside, on the glass also, I have yesterday I stick what are the labs that so these are the labs information I printed. Okay, make sure that everyone is completed these labs. Okay, right now I am going to share hybrid framework _3 project. Okay, so you can also start doing the analysis and you can do the practice by yourself. Let it complete by today itself. If you are postponing by tomorrow, you will forget things. And after once you join in the organization, you will bring your laptop and once